Dear student, once again welcome back to my online class. I am Rahul Rajput, your math teacher of Alpine Public School. And dear student, today we are going to discuss about the one more chance, that is miscellaneous exercise. And today is the last day. We have to discuss about that topic, that is miscellaneous exercise. Dear students, प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपने इसी चैप्टर से कुछ क्वेश्चन को, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन को देखा था, बट कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे थे जो छूट गए थे और वो आपके लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो उन्हीं क्वेश्चन पे आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे और ऑलरेडी हमने एक क्वेश्चन को बोर्ड पे राइट कर लिया है। आइए इस क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं कैसे इस क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे। और डियर स्टूडेंट, this type of questions is very important for you. So everybody, I request you look at the writing board and mind this, because one more chance, this is very important question. Mind this everybody. So your question number first is, if 8745 is the dividend and 190 is the quotient, okay, 8745 is the dividend and 190 is the quotient and 46 is the divisor. Show that the remainder is 5. हमें शो करना है रिमाइंडर 5 हो and the relation between dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. Dear students, हमें इस स्टेटमेंट को इंप्लीमेंट पे लाना है। एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू। अगर आपको इस चैप्टर से वर्ड प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन को बहुत ही इजी तरीके से फाइंड आउट करने हैं, तो ये आपको स्टेटमेंट हमेशा माइंड में रखना है। क्या? डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर एंड मल्टीप्लाई कोसेंट एंड प्लस रिमाइंडर। हमें इसी फॉर्मूले को इंप्लीमेंट में ला करके हमें रिमाइंडर को फाइंड आउट करना है, रिमाइंडर के वैल्यू को शो करना है। तो आइए चलते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का प्रयास करते हैं। योर सॉल्यूशन इज, वी हैव टू राइट डाउन वन मोर चांस इन दिस लाइन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, योर डिविडेंड is equal to divisor and multiply quotient and plus remainder. Mind this, plus इसको हम ब्रैकेट में करेंगे and plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. Is that clear to everyone? And dear students, then after look at the writing board and find the value of each statement. You know very well, the value of dividend is equal to 8745. You know very well. And your quotient, the value of quotient is equal to 190 and the value of divisor is equal to 46. So put the value in below line. So your dividend is 8745. This is your value of dividend. And then after is equal to your value of divisor is equal to 190 and multiply the value of quotient is equal to 46. You know very well, the divisor is equal to 46, not 190. Okay, one more chance. Okay, dear student, the value of dividend is equal to 8745. You know very well. And the value of divisor is equal to 46. 46 and multiply your quotient is equal to 190. Okay, and then after your value is remainder is equal to r, and solve in this equation. So once again 8745 is equal to, हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे 46 इंटू 190. अब हम यहाँ पे 190 का आसानी से 46 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. क्लियर है? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट? ओके. So 190 into 46. First of all, we have to multiply 190 into 6. 6 0 ja 0. Okay, and 6 9 ja 54. 4 write down in your tens place and 5 write down in your hundred place. Because 6 9 ja 54. So 4 write down in your tens place and 5 write down, 5 carry on, not write down, 5 carry on your 100 place. And then after 6 1 is 6 and plus 5 11. Okay, dear student, 190 into 6 is equal to, we get the product is 1140. Is it clear to everyone? And then after the second multiply 190 into 4. So first of all we have to one step cross, and then after 4 0 ja 0, 4 9 ja 36, 6 write down and 3 carry in your 100 place. Okay, and 4 1 ja 4 and plus 3 7. Is that clear? 760 and we get sum both product. 0 bring down, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Also write down in your tens place, and 6 plus 1 7 write down in your 100 place, and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 write down in your 1000 place, and we get the product is 8740. So dear student, we have to write down in this place 8740 and plus r for remainder. ओके, एंड वेरिएबल नॉन वेरिएबल, जो मैंने प्रीवियस क्लास में आपको बताया था कि वेरिएबल नॉन वेरिएबल डिजिट को हम कैसे इंटरचेंज करेंगे, कैसे अपने एक वैल्यू को राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट हैंड शो करेंगे, तो ये देखेंगे. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, द नेक्स्ट वर्क इज, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज द वैल्यू ऑफ r इज इक्वल टू 8745 and minus 8740. Is that clear? The value of r is equal to 8745 and minus 8740, and we get the product is, हमें इसमें subtract कर देना है, is equal to 5. The value of r is equal to 5 and क्या है? Hence क्या है? r is equal to 5. Hence so, and your procedure will be completed. So dear student, once again we have to explain in this solution, because this type of question is very important for you. So first of all, your question given there, if 8745 is the dividend and 190 is the quotient and 46 is the divisor, so that the remainder is 5, and use the relation, हमें इनके रिलेशन को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो रिलेशन बिटवीन डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई क्वोशिएंट एंड प्लस रिमाइंडर. सो योर सॉल्यूशन इज डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर एंड मल्टीप्लाई क्वोशिएंट एंड प्लस रिमाइंडर. First of all, put the value given the sign, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder also. So the value of dividend is equal to 8745 and the value of divisor is equal to 46 and last the value of quotient is equal to 190 and then our remainder. So the next work is 8745 is equal to 46 into 190, we get the product is 8740 and plus r. Is that clear to everyone? And the next one, the value of r is equal to 8745 minus 8740, and we get the product is 5 because we have to subtract 8745 minus 8740, and it is your procedure will be completed. And dear student, one more question solve related to in this type questions. Only one more question. Next question देखते हैं. Dear student, your second question is second question. Find the numbers which when divided by 27. Okay. Find the number which when divided by 27 gives, and 125 as the quotient and 25 as the remainder. Dear student, this type of question is related to just previous question, so don't confuse. Your solution is very easy question. First of all, we have to write down the relation between all statements. So dear student, first of all we have to write down dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient. Divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. Is that clear to everyone? And then after we have to find out the value of dividend. Okay, your question is find the numbers which when divided by 27 gives 25 as the quotient and 25 as the remainder. The value of remainder also given here, and the value of dividend is also given. So dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. Okay, so once again, dividend is equal to the value of divisor is equal to 27 multiply the value of quotient is equal to 125. The value of quotient is equal to 125 and the value of remainder is equal to only 25. Okay, dividend is equal to 27 multiply 125 and plus 25, because the value of remainder is equal to 25, the value of quotient is equal to 125 and the value of divisor is equal to 27. And then after the next one, that is we have to multiply 27 into 125. So first of all 125 multiply 2727. Okay, 125 into 2727. First of all 5 7 are 7 5s are 35. 5 3 write down in your tens place and 5 write down in your ones place. Okay, and 7 to the 14 and plus 3 15 16 and 17. 7 write down in your tens place and 1 carry on 100 place. Is that clear? And then after 7 under 7 and plus 1 8. Now we get the product is 875. And then after we have to multiply 125 into 2. So first of all one step cross, and then after 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10, because 2 5s are 10. 0 write down in your tens place and 1 carry in your also tens place. Okay, and once again 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Write down in your 100 place and then after 2 1 are 2. Okay, we get the both product is 875 and 250. Then after add both number. Okay, so 5 write down, 7 0 7 write down, 8 5 13 3 and 2 plus 1 3. Now 3375. 3375. So 227 into 125, we get the product is 3375 and plus 2525. Is that clear? And then after the next work is 3375 minus 2525. Sorry, not minus, add. तो क्या करेंगे आप? 3375 and plus 2525. 5 5 10 0 1 carry, 7 to 9 and plus 1 10 0 once again 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 write down and 3 also write down. The total value is 3400 only. 3400, and the value of dividend is equal to 3400. Thus the mind this 3375 plus 25, we get the product is 3400. The required number is 3400. 3400. Dear student, this question is very easy and your procedure will be completed. So I am repeat once again. Your question number 2 is given here. Find the numbers which when divided by 27 gives 125 as the quotient and 25 as the remainder. So first of all, your solution is we have to write down dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. This statement is very important for you. So mind this everybody, because this types equation are used for many time and related to this type question. So dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. So the next work, we have to find out the value of dividend. So the value of divisor is equal to 27. Write down in your just proper place, and then after the value of quotient is equal to 125. Also write down in your proper place, and the value of remainder is equal to 25 is also write down in your proper place related to in this statement. And then after solve it. 27 into 125. First of all, dear student, 27 into 125, and we get the product is 3375. Mind this, 3375 write down in this place and plus 2525, and then after add both number, and once again we get the new product is 3400 only. The required number is 3400. I hope is clear to everyone. So dear student, your first and second question are similarly, and you know very well this is very easy question, and rest of the question you have to solve itself. More and more question given in your textbook. So first of all, we have to find out important question related to in this type question and solve itself. अगर इसमें कुछ आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में उस क्वेश्चन को जरूर शेयर करें. हम क्लास की तरह ही कमेंट बॉक्स में भी हम आपकी प्रॉब्लम को दूर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.